Got him.
The blind will this be 877.
Fixing to roll out to lobster land.
Just look like this.
Told God he can't go and he
Daddy
ain't happy.
filming.
Mom wants me to get lobster land.
This small. Daddy.
Check out the view. We're at lobster land.
Then just let it.
Wait. Let's
This-
look at it one time.
This weighs 1 pound.
You want me to help you crack it?
Look. Look, Daddy.
So good.
So hot. And here's the grabber.
How many bays does it have?
19.
It has
And
9.
has 19 bays.
It's called the Bay State.
I thought they said things were bigger in Texas, but that seagull is huge. We can go check out the beach at Cape Ann.
And we even have the massive fat shovel.
That's good.
That one has a big one.
Here we go.
Mama, one of my shoes is kicking sand into the other shoe.
Yeah, you got holes.
Man, what do you think it is? 68, 70
Daddy,
maybe?
look at this. I can run so fast now. Look at how much sand I fling up. Look, ready?
Look at that lighthouse car.
I know.
And the red buoy.
But
red
Daddy,
light.
look.
Okay,
Daddy, look. I can run so fast now. Look at how much dirt I fling up.
be careful, don't get sand in your shoes. We'll take them off when we get over here.
Look at that big one. I know.
He's huge. We can walk out on that big rock. You fall on your hiney. Hurt, or is he sleeping? He's just sleeping. Walk on up on slow, see how close you can get. Oh, he sees you. Karsten, don't do that. How about you not chase him? I just seen how close you could get if you went nice and slow. Hey Karsten, I think those brownish colored ones are the females. They might... I'm ready to take my shoes off. Looks good to me. You see that sailboat out there, Car? He's alright. Car hit himself with a shovel on accident.
What'd he do?
He hit himself with a shovel.
Oh, sweet Pete. Where at?
Well, the seagulls are huge. The sand is sugar soft.
Dad, look at that sailboat out there.
And the water is very cold. I see it. See if I can zoom in with this thing. I can't. Look at the beautiful lighthouse.
Carson, you're gonna sit in that thing? Yeah, very. We gotta make like a little lake thing.
That guy over there all by himself. He's wearing gloves and a mask.
I can't see that.
He is. Oh wow, that water is cold. Like a melted iceberg or something. I was looking for something I could show the boys, but they're making all the discoveries on their own. Oh, now that's a little chilly. Thought it was a black rock, but when I picked it up, it's super light. And look, when I hit it on a rock, It doesn't make any noise. I think it's a piece of charcoal.
There's a hermit crab.
Where?
Right there.
No, that's a piece of rock sticking up. I think you might right. Get it. How long is your arm? Is your arm long enough to not get wet? No, he won't pinch.
No,
Look at this.
what is that?
It's not a rock. I think it's a piece of charcoal. No, that's the tip of a rock. That's no hermit crab.
It looks like hermit crab.
Hey, be careful. Some of these rocks with the moss exposed are super slick.
Are
Look at the
insane.
size of this rock.
Wait, I see a triangle. It's massive.
It's the size of a Plymouth.
Yeah, right here.
Oh man. That is cold. I'm guessing, I don't know, 50 maybe. We'll have to look that up too. We ain't from around these parts.
Look. Anything in here? It's another tadpole.
It's like an aquarium.
But a massive aquarium.
You can't sneak up on a seagull. You better be careful.
Daddy, look.
That's cool.
It's a clam.
Yeah, but it's dead.
No.
But be careful if it ain't. There's stinky in it. Yeah, it's dead. It's gone. Come look at this rock, Car. It's got a layer of something in it, but it's whatever that layer is. It's
It's a
hard
block.
too. It looks like it was just clay, but it got smashed so hard. You know, mess up the hole in your boat.
Daddy, do you know why I call this a little Land Rover? Because it can go on land. Yeah, and Daddy, look. It's dry, bro. Daddy, look at water right here. Daddy, look, come over here. Look, it's dry right here. Because it's low tide.
I actually think it's pretty high tide, just by the moss line on stuff. I keep seeing little things. They're minnows. That's what they are. I don't know if I can show our circle or not. Because there they are.
Whoa, Daddy, look
I think I showed them right there.
Daddy, look at this rock. It has like yellow on it. Look.
Karsten, look at this. Let's see if we can hurt them. See all those minnows? Go around the other side and see if you can see
But Daddy, show the viewers this.
That's a great piece of granite. Go around the other side and kind of shoo them back this way. Ah, they're getting past us. You gotta go way past. Go further to the ocean and come back. Scare them my way. I'll be still. Oh! Yeah, you spook. When you scare them big time, they jump. They're coming back. There's a bunch right here. Come back this way. I'm gonna be still. Callan, keep coming this way towards me. Oh, Callan. Car, you went past them. Too far past them.
It's got a land. I call this one a Land Rover because it can go on land and water. And it's a boat. I see this real quick. My little Land Rover. Oh. Dang, that was deep.
It looks like a rain's coming.
Marshall, we're good.
Yeah, work your way back to Mama. You can play in the sand. I'm gonna sit in the chair for a little bit. It's green and pink and rolls around weird.
Can I get it?
What is it?
Oh, it's a tennis ball.
Oh, good. Okay. I thought it was a strange creature.
And then look what
Oh.
I found that washed up.
This water is making my feet numb.
Now my shorts are wet.
Well, your shorts get wet and you're gonna be super cold. Watch out for them waves.
Dad, look what I found that washed up was on the sea line.
Sea line.
Run from the wave! Dad, you know far out there the waves are huge? Dad, you know far out there the waves are massive?
Yeah, they are. We're in the harbor. God, don't, Calvin, come on. Yeah, these little things, they're like gnats, but
Oh,
I feel them biting.
big wave, don't stand a chance.
And they're crawling all over me.
Throw yourself around like that, dude.
Woo!
Oh, right here, look how the wave line sorts all the lightweight shells right here in a line. It's kind of wild.
Check it out.
You better watch out. Look at that.
Hey.
Look at these suckers. They're like, ooh, they left their stuff all by themselves. Ooh, they circle around.
Did the ocean make it smooth? Hey, let's pack Callan in where he can't move.
Look, it's a shell for a seashell. Or for a sea. So.
It's alive? Let's go look in this grass, see if we can find any. Big wave! Look out! That ain't a big wave. Watch your step, Car. You don't step on something we don't know nothing about.
Crab!
It's just the shell. Oh, this is getting cold. Oh, real cold. Ouch.
Crab!
It's too cold. I gotta get out. Oh my goodness, it's ice cold over here.
I could be freezing. How do you want to take the picture?
I just want to see. Well, I can get warm from. Oh, it's warm up here in the grass. Oh, and the sand is so squishy.
I wish the viewers could feel it.
I know, I'm trying to show.
Ow, 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 ow.
What'd you step on?
I stepped on something.
A piece of sharp shell.
Yeah.
Go in easy.
Ow.
Oh, it's the grass. The grass hurts. Let's go around the
And
grass.
look, show the viewers.
Oh, yeah. Let's show our circle.
Oh, I can't leave this spot.
That's cold out there, ain't it? I want to go see what the sand feels like over here. But step down slow in case there's a bottle or something.
We're looking for crabs.
Oh, mercy, that's cold. It gets too deep. It's real firm right here. Ouch, it hurts. I gotta go back.
I gotta go to land.
I'm going to land. Callan, you'll hurt your feet. Some of those rocks are sharp and really slick.
Yeah, that'll warm it.
Okay, I feel it. That's warm. That's good. I don't want it on me. That's nasty water. In fact, you need to go rinse it off. It's kind of stagnant looking.
What is it?
Stagnant. It's not getting churned enough.
Look at all that blue water.
It's a little micro environment. There's no telling what kind of microbes are growing in it. We're going up to Maine.
Maine?
We're in, where are we now? Cape Ann, Massachusetts.
You said
But we stayed on Rhode Island, and I found the tweezers, so.
We're right here. Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
There's Rhode Island, peoples.
I don't think that should even be considered as a state.
I think it goes at that angle there. Oh,
There you
Daddy,
go.
we got it.
you know, Daddy, when I saw that little speck in there, I didn't even think that was Rhode Island. I thought that was just a little scratch in the sticker.
It's tiny, right? And here's Mass.
Kind.
The locals call it Mass.
Can I stick it?
Let me get it, Look, I got it angled right on my finger.
What's it known for, Callan?
Oh.
What's its nickname?
the Bay State. It has so many, 19 bays.
19 bays.
And
Now we're gonna drive through New Hampshire, catch Maine.
And we said we would
Look at that
sleep
lobsters.
in You
And
said
it's
we
known
would.
as the lobster state.
You said we would sleep in a tent in Maine.
I think we might do that. And
If
we're gonna
I
catch
say
New
it's not
Hampshire on
that chilly there. If I say it's not that chilly. If I do.
He's in charge.
Daddy, do you know 24 hours is
Well-
thousands and thousands of minutes?
the- Where are we leaving, Car? Where are we leaving? Massachusetts. The locals call it Mass. And we got 2,400 miles from home. And it is. Where's that dance? I had the temperature, it said 62 a while ago. There it is, 64. Here we go, we rolling out. I gotta hook the truck up, it's over there.
Donna, he's just so nice whenever he just first wakes up.
They're stuck in the mud. I did that one time in Gigi.
Right here. Here.
The tide will come back. This bird ain't messing around. He don't even seem to care. Is he? Interesting. Wait till you see my drone, buddy. You don't know what to do.